Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Regions Mortgage account, secure method step by step clearly. To log into your Regions Mortgage account using a secure method, start by opening your web browser. Type in the official Regions Bank website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. From the drop-down menu, select Mortgage. You will be directed to the mortgage login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. Ensure that your password is secure and correctly typed. Once both fields are filled, click on the login button. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the respective links provided. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID or reset your password. If you are using a personal device, consider checking the box for Remember Me for easier access in the future. After successfully logging in, you will have access to your mortgage account dashboard. Here, you can view your account details, statements, and payment options. Always make sure to log out after finishing your session to enhance security. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact Regions Bank immediately. By following these steps, you can securely access your Regions Mortgage account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.